Let's explore the Bake tab in Shapespark. This is where you set up and start the Lightmap baking process. A lightmap is a special texture that stores how much light reaches each surface in your scene, helping to achieve realistic lighting without relying on real-time calculations. At the top, we have the path tracing section. Start by choosing a quality preset: draft, medium, high, or super. Each preset sets the number of samples, which define how many light rays are used per pixel. More samples give better results, but take more time. Then there's bounces, which control how many times light rays bounce around the scene. More bounces help illuminate darker areas, especially interiors, but increase baking time. Lightmap resolution controls how detailed the lighting will be. It defines how many pixels are used per meter of geometry. Higher values improve quality, but also increase the bake size and loading time. Max Lightmaps limits how many lightmap textures are created. If your scene is too big to fit, Shapespark will automatically lower the resolution to make it work within this limit. Lower values help keep scenes lightweight, especially for mobile. Ambient occlusion adds soft shadowing in corners and tight spaces. When enabled, you can fine-tune its distance and intensity for more subtle or dramatic shadowing. Next is the post-processing section. Enable filters here to improve baked lightmaps. If you're not fully satisfied with the result after post-processing, turning on the AI denoiser might help clean things up even more. And if that still doesn't do the trick, the next step would be to increase the number of samples. Flood Dark Limit helps fix black artifacts caused by low-resolution lightmaps, especially under small or occluded objects. In the Device section, choose the hardware used for baking, CPU or GPU. Optics and CUDA are two different GPU backends. Optics is the preferred choice if available and working without issues. Otherwise, you may try CUDA. Then there's Bake Preview. This gives you a live view of your lighting in the main viewer. It reacts in real time to any lighting or material changes, so you can tweak settings and see the results instantly before starting a full bake. At the bottom, you'll find Post-Process button reapplies post-processing filters without baking again. Allows the scene to be seen with all filters disabled, or is useful when tweaking the Flood Dark Limit setting. When everything is ready, I hit Bake button, and a job appears in the list and the Lightmap baking begins.